Palantir is trading at around $87, a decrease of approximately 4% from the previous close. The trading session opened at $90.52, reached an intraday high of $93.415, and dipped to a low of $85.29, with a total volume of 110,470,272 shares traded. In less than 2 days, it has crashed by more than 10%. In this video, we'll talk about why Palantir has been crashed, several technical indicators, and how Palantir could trade in the coming weeks. Welcome back to Fire Stocks, where we talk about tech stocks like Palantir and NVIDIA. Please like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Coming back to Palantir, the 14-day Relative Strength Index stands at 29.5, placing the stock in oversold territory, which may precede a potential price reversal. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence Oscillator is at minus 4.12, with a signal line above the MACD line, reinforcing bearish momentum. The Average Directional Index at 31.2 suggests a strong downward trend. The Williams percent, our oscillator, reflects a value of minus 82.5, deep in oversold territory, signaling potential for a bullish correction. The Commodity Channel Index registers at minus 105.4, indicating the stock is trading well below its average price, a bearish signal. The average true range at 2.85 points to increased volatility in the stock's price movements. The highs-lows indicator shows a value of minus 2.15, suggesting the stock is making new lows, which is a bearish sign. The ultimate oscillator stands at 45.3, leaning towards bearishness. The rate of change at minus 3.8 indicates downward momentum. The bull-bear power indicator, with a value of minus 9.45, suggests that bears are currently in control. Moving averages further corroborate the bearish outlook. The 5-day simple moving average is at $89.15, the 10-day SMA at $91.47, the 20-day SMA at $94.82, the 50-day SMA at $102.35, the 100-day SMA at $110.78, and the 200-day SMA at $95.49. The current price below these moving averages indicates sustained downward momentum. Pivot point analysis identifies key support and resistance levels. Immediate support levels are at $85.90, $84.41, and $82.92. Resistance levels are observed at $88.89, $90.38, and $91.87. The stock's close near the first support level suggests potential testing of lower supports in upcoming sessions. Fundamental factors contributing to the recent stock decline include the Trump administration's directive for the Pentagon to identify approximately $50 billion in budget reductions for the upcoming fiscal year. Given that Palantir derives a substantial portion of its revenue from U.S. government contracts, particularly within the defense sector, these proposed cuts have raised concerns about future earnings and contract stability. Additionally, insider trading activities, such as CEO Alex Karp's plan to sell up to 10 million shares, have contributed to investor apprehension. Given the current technical indicators and fundamental factors, potential investors should exercise caution. The stock's oversold conditions may present short-term trading opportunities. However, the broader bearish trend and uncertainties surrounding government contracts suggest a careful evaluation of risk tolerance and investment horizon is warranted. Analysts present a spectrum of perspectives on Palantir Technologies Incorporated's valuation and growth trajectory, reflecting both optimism about its market position and caution regarding its financial metrics. Conversely, some analysts express reservations about Palantir's valuation. The stock traded at over 200 times projected earnings for the current fiscal year, a multiple that raises concerns about sustainability. Citi Research's Tyler Radke, while acknowledging the company's growth, reiterates a neutral rating due to apprehensions about consistent growth and valuation risks. Mizuho analyst Greg Moskowitz echoes this sentiment, maintaining an underperform rating despite increasing the price target from $30 to $37. He points to the elevated valuation multiples as a potential risk factor. Further skepticism comes from William Blair analysts, who foresee a possible downside exceeding 20% in the coming years. They highlight the risk of revenue growth deceleration, particularly within Palantir's U.S. government business, which could adversely affect the stock's valuation. But still, Bank of America's analyst, Mariana Mora, raised the price target to $125, emphasizing Palantir's compelling value proposition in the competitive AI landscape. Wedbush analyst Dan Ives maintains an optimistic stance, suggesting that potential defense budget cuts might inadvertently benefit Palantir. He posits that reduced traditional defense spending could lead to increased investment in AI solutions, positioning Palantir to capture more IT budget allocations from the Pentagon. Ives upholds a buy rating with a target of $120. This is perhaps because a number of good things have also happened with Palantir in the recent months. In the fourth quarter of 2024, Palantir Technologies, Inc. demonstrated robust financial performance, underscoring its significant presence in the data analytics and artificial intelligence sectors. The company reported a revenue of $827.5 million, surpassing analysts' expectations of $775.9 million. This achievement marks a substantial increase from the $608.35 million reported in the same quarter the previous year. Earnings per share stood at 14 cents, reflecting a notable rise from the 8 cents per share recorded in Q4 2023. A significant contributor to this growth was the expansion of Palantir's U.S. commercial operations. Revenue from this segment grew by 64% year-over-year, reaching $214 million. This surge indicates the company's successful penetration into the domestic commercial market. Additionally, U.S. government revenues increased by 45% from the previous year, totaling $343 million, highlighting the sustained demand for Palantir services within federal agencies. The momentum in the U.S. commercial sector is further evidenced by the record-setting $803 million in total contract value secured during Q4 2024, reflecting a 134% increase compared to the same period the previous year. This impressive figure highlights the growing trust and reliance of U.S. businesses on Palantir solutions. Customer acquisition has also been robust, with Palantir's overall customer count growing by 43% year-over-year. In Q4 alone, the company closed 129 deals valued at $1 million or more, including 32 deals exceeding $10 million. This diverse portfolio of high-value contracts underscores Palantir's ability to cater to a wide range of business needs. Also, in Q4 2024, Palantir secured 129 deals valued at $1 million or more. Among these, 58 deals were worth at least $5 million and 32 exceeded $10 million. This diverse portfolio of high-value contracts underscores the company's ability to attract substantial business across various sectors. Looking ahead, Palantir has provided optimistic guidance for 2025. The company anticipates first-quarter revenues to range between $858 million and $862 million, with the midpoint surpassing the current consensus estimate of $798 million. For the full year, total revenues are projected between $3.741 billion and $3.757 billion, exceeding the consensus estimate of $3.54 billion. This positive outlook reflects Palantir's confidence in its strategic direction and market positioning. These are some of the reasons why a lot of investors are still holding on to Palantir. Do you think it's enough reason to be bullish about Palantir? Are you planning to sell your holdings, or do you think it's a buying opportunity?